Hello everybody, my name is Steven, and this is Cannin.com's technical analysis. This week we're looking back at an old familiar Supreme Cannabis company. Let's look over at the pricing chart now. So you can see we're looking at SPRWF. This is their ticker in the United States on the OTC markets. They're also FIRE, F-I-R-E, up in Canada. And we're zoomed pretty into 2021. Here's the end of 2020. They were trading around 13 cents. A little bit of optimism we saw in the cannabis industry in general, up to 18. They gave that back down, coming all the way back down to 13 cents. And then just really recently have been on a roll, up 20%, 25%, 5%. So let's see if we could have detected that. Today we're looking at the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, the MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, and the chaikin oscillator. And we'll just start with the RSI. We've seen this one before many times. The zone here is 70 on the upper boundary, 30 on the lower boundary. And you can see we were above it a little bit during this peak in pricing in mid-January. It then fell down all the way to 41 before really coming up. Here's our cross. It happened on the 3rd of February. We did get a slope change here, which is pretty dramatic. But this is kind of the hint, and this is the hard evidence. So the 3rd of February. You'll notice it wasn't before this price hike. This was on the first candle or on the daily chart here. And so we would have missed this one, but captured the next two big increases if we were solely using the RSI. MACD is similar. You can see, I'll just refresh you, the signal line here is the orange line, the MACD is the blue. And I accidentally just closed it out here, so let's just bring it back up. And you can see how many technical indicators here. And so you can see we crossed above January 7th, so well in advance of this initial buy on January 14th, a week in advance. Here's our buy signal. It gets even bigger on the 13th. And then a sign of weakness here on the 26th, where the price was 15, stays low all the way down until we see a cross here. It is the same date, the same day as the RSI. The chaikin is a little bit different. It's below 0 here. It does pop above 0 on the 13th of January. Then really quick reverses, goes pretty negative. And then finally we get our cross, but look what day the cross is, the 2nd of February. So this is slightly above the RSI. You can see the cross here has already happened one candle before. So interesting timing between the RSI chaikin and the MACD. I'm going to show you what happens on the 4-hour chart too. So same kind of price movement increases we saw. Here's our cross on the RSI. Look, 2 candles before is our cross on the chaikin, and now watch that the cross here is similar between the chaikin and the MACD. So you can kind of see the timing aspect of using multiple time frames to see when these indicators are telling you. Here's the primary evidence, secondary evidence, tertiary evidence comes a couple candles later. Even if you wait for that third one, 17 cents, you can see it's up to 24 cents. It would have been a nice gain for you. So not a lot moving back in January, but what a February for Supreme Cannabis Company. And also look at their Canadian ticker, FIRE, very memorable, F-I-R-E. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful weekend.